Hello, in front of me I've got NOKIA G20. Today I'll show you how to make phone call via Google Assistant. So, firstly, let's open Google app, tap More, and go to Settings. Tap on Google Assistant and tap on Voice Match. Make sure this function is on. Now simply say, "Hey Google, call Lily." "Hey Google, call Lily." "Hey Google, call Lily."
Calling Lily.
Unfortunately, right now I don't have SIM card insert, so I won't be able to make a phone call, but in your phone, that's how the process looks like. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.